Now let's take a look at the Indonesian stock market today. On Tuesday, the Indonesian Composite Index was down by 0.17% for the full report and analysis. Let's turn to Jessica Wulandari, who was reporting from the Indonesian Stock Exchange.
Jakarta Composite Index dropped 0.17% as investors were anticipated inflation data and Indonesia's manufacturing index for February 2023. Economists estimated that the February CPI will deflate 0.19% to 0.29% on a monthly basis. It was due to the year-end cycle has passed, and the impact of the second round effect has been reduced from the increase in fuel prices in September 2022. And there were good news for market today. At the annual general meeting of shareholders for the 2022 financial year, which is planned to be held in April 2023, United Tractors directors plan to propose a final dividend payment of 6,185 rupiah per share, while PT Astra International would suggest a total dividend of 640 rupiah per share at annual general meeting of shareholders in April 2023. Therefore, United Tractors gained 11.6% and Astra International rose 6% today. But on the other hand, the European Central Bank explicitly say it will raise interest rates by another 50 basis points in March. The measure was taken in anticipation of an increase in the Federal Reserve interest rate in March. Now, let's take a look to rupiah and commodity prices. Rupiah was up 0.11% as U.S. Treasury yield fell because investors continue to monitor the outlook for inflation and the economy. The yield on the 2-year note was last trading down 3 basis points at 3.92%. Meanwhile, yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury note was down 2 basis points at 3.937%. Next, gold price was traded 0.4% lower as dollar index hiked 0.14%, while oil prices were up today. WTI crude oil rose 0.8% and Brent gained 0.47%. Now, let's move on to the top losers and top gainers of the day. The top losers were Wir Asia, Jaya Swarsa Agung, and Trisula International. And the top gainers were Lini Maju Kreasi Ekosistem, Bank MNC International, and Singaraja Putra. And tomorrow, index expected in the range of 6,820 until 6,880, while rupiah will be moved between 15,225 until 15,325. I am Jessica, reporting for MGN.